So I'll start by trying to install a bucket seat. I was wondering when I ordered this why there's only one option and there are two kind of ways of mounting it, because the left side and the right side of the car is actually different. But this thing is symmetrical, and then it comes with this part which attaches to either side, either driver side or passenger side. It also came with a very limited instruction sheet that is only in Italian. So let's try and install this thing. So as you can see, these bolts bolt in like that, but these go in like sideways. And I think it goes this way. And then this should line up there. And then this thing probably mounts here. And then that should line up. I think I'll have to install some washers in between to get it exactly right. The instructions apparently say that I have to install everything to the seat first and then install the whole thing at once. So I found some bolts that work, and I'll try and install this. I'll tighten everything up later. Now the sliders should go on. Oh, that are these things. One thing I noticed that apparently is missing is the thing in between the two to actually pull underneath the seat and slide it. So I'll probably have to do something to make that work. We'll figure it out later. This should be at the front. Alright, I have no bolts for that yet. I'll be back. I'm back. They should be on the inside. God damn it. So now this thing should go. So this is in the back. That's the back. And of course it doesn't line up. Why is that? It doesn't fit yet. And I have never drilled something through metal before. Yes, I'm that of a noob. So my dad will probably help me do that in the afternoon. For now I will try and clean the wheels a little bit. So I've set up a thing that I found over there, so I can put the wheels next to each other and then just use a high pressure thing to clean them. So I thought this would make a big difference, but they still look exactly the same. In the meantime, I will try to remove the headliner, because that still also has to come out.
maybe I should get the seat out again.
There it goes. So, oh, oops, there he goes. I think I might prefer it actually with the headliner in. It's a bit late for that now. I've put that back so I can actually continue to use the sunroof if necessary, and also the light there. Seat is in, still not fixed yet, but that's for another day. It's already very dirty again from removing the headliner. Further, I didn't really do that much, mostly figuring out what to do next. So I'll see you when I see you again. A few weeks ago I changed one side to the new wheels, and today I'm going to do the other side. So I took it out of a Mercedes Sprinter and then they do fit. Perfect.